Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the gravy guy. It's Saturday, so let me quickly walk you through another delicious homemade sauce. It's summertime and it's pretty hot out there, so I'm going to show you how to make an avocado lime crema. It's very easy to make and super refreshing. Round up a food processor and add the meat of 2 avocados. Next, add half of a cup of sour cream. To this, you'll add a handful of fresh cilantro. Drop in 2 cloves of garlic, half of a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of lime juice. Round up some milk and drop in 1/4 cup. Spank on some black pepper. Crank up that food processor, give it a few pulses, and then blitz it until it's as smooth as you like. Remember those meals that made you feel at home? Well, they're back with the Sauce and Gravy channel's second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply. Filled with scratch-made classics you'll be proud to serve. Creamy sauces, slow simmered flavor. No cans, no shortcuts, just real cooking. Step-by-step recipes, real ingredients, and QR codes to transport you to free video tutorials to help guide you. Cook with confidence, share with love. These are the meals they'll never forget. See the link in the video's comment and description section to order now. Real comfort starts now. As you can see, there's nothing too complicated about this recipe. You can knock it out in a matter of minutes. Halfway through the blending process, you might want to grab a spoon, make sure that everything is off the sides, and if you have large chunks of those avocados, you might want to break them up. It'll help process them a whole lot easier. After a couple more minutes of blitzing, you've got this. It's creamy, it's smooth, it's fresh, it's perfect for the summertime. Now you're ready to dip some veggies or chips in it, throw it on a sandwich, put it on eggs, knock yourself out. So that's how you make an avocado lime crema. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And hey, you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching. And remember, until next Saturday, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.